This is the multiple choice questions in network layer, Internet Protocol from the book Data Communications and Networking by Behrouz A. Forouzan. 1. In IPv6, the blank field in the base header restricts the lifetime of a datagram. A. Version. B. Next header. C. Hop limit. D. Neighbor advertisement. Answer, C. Hop limit. 2. In IPv4 header, an HLEN value of decimal 10 means blank. A. There are 10 bytes of options. B. There are 40 bytes of options. C. There are 10 bytes in the header. D. There are 40 bytes in the header. Answer, D. There are 40 bytes in the header. 3. In IPv4, an HLEN value of decimal 10 means blank. A. There are 10 bytes of options. B. There are 40 bytes of options. C. There are 40 bytes in the header. D. None of these. Answer, C. There are 40 bytes in the header. 4. In IPv6, the blank field in the base header and the sender IP address combine to indicate a unique path identifier for a specific flow of data. A. Flow label. B. Next header. C. Hop limit. D. Destination IP address. Answer, A. Flow label. 5. In IPv4, what is the value of the total length field in bytes if the header is 28 bytes and the data field is 400 bytes? A. 428. B. 407. C. 107. D. 427. Answer, A. 428. 6. The term blank means that IP provides no error checking or tracking. IP assumes the unreliability of the underlying layers and does its best to get a transmission through to its destination, but with no guarantees. A. Reliable delivery. B. Connection-oriented delivery. C. Best effort delivery. D. None of these. Answer, C. Best effort delivery. 7. The blank protocol is the transmission mechanism used by the TCP/IP suite. A. ARP. B. IP. C. RARP. D. None of these. Answer, B. IP. 8. In IPv4, what is the length of the data field given an HLEN value of 12 and total length value of 40,000? A. 39,988. B. 40,012. C. 40,048. D. 39,952. Answer, D. 39,952. 9. In IPv4, what is needed to determine the number of the last byte of a fragment? A. Identification number. B. Offset number. C. Total length. D. B. And C. Answer, D. B. And C. 10. The IPv4 header size blank. A. Is 20 to 60 bytes long. B. Is 20 bytes long. C. Is 60 bytes long. D. None of these. Answer, A. Is 20 to 60 bytes long. 11. In IPv6, when a datagram needs to be discarded in a congested network, the decision is based on the blank field in the base header. A. Hop limit. B. Priority. C. Next header. D. None of these. Answer, B. Priority. 12. In IPv4, which field or bit value unambiguously identifies the datagram as a fragment? A. Do not fragment bit. B. More fragment bit. C. fragment offset equals 1000. D. None of these. Answer, C. Fragment offset equals 1000. 13. Which of the following is a necessary part of the IPv6 datagram? A. Base header. B. Extension header. C. Data packet from the upper layer. D. A. And C. Answer, A. Base header. 14. In IPv4, when a datagram is encapsulated in a frame, the total size of the datagram must be less than the A. MUD. B. MAT. C. MTU. D. None of these. Answer, C. MTU. 15. In IPv6, options are inserted between the blank and the blank data. A. Base header, extension header. B. Base header, upper layer data. C. Base header, frame header. D. None of these. Answer, B. Base header, upper layer data. 16. An IPv4 datagram is fragmented into 3 smaller datagrams. Which of the following is true? A. The do not fragment bit is set to 1 for all 3 datagrams. B. The more fragment bit is set to 0 for all 3 datagrams. C. The identification field is the same for all 3 datagrams. D. The offset field is the same for all 3 datagrams. Answer, C. The identification field is the same for all 3 datagrams. 17. In IPv4, if the fragment offset has a value of 100, it means that blank. A. The datagram has not been fragmented. B. The datagram is 100 bytes in size. C. The first byte of the datagram is byte 100. D. The first byte of the datagram is byte 800. Answer, D. The first byte of the datagram is byte 800. 18. IP is blank datagram protocol. A. An unreliable. B. A connectionless. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer, C. Both A and B. 19. IPv6 allows blank security provisions than IPv4. A. More. B. Less. C. The same level. D. None of these. Answer, A. More. 20. The IPv4 header field formerly known as the service type field is now called the blank field. A. IETF. B. Checksum. C. Differentiated services. D. None of these. Answer, C. Differentiated services. 21. A best effort delivery service such as IPv4 includes blank. A. Error checking. B. Error correction. C. Datagram acknowledgement. D. None of these. Answer, D. None of these. 22. The IPv4 header size blank. A. Is 20 to 60 bytes long. B. Is 20 bytes long. C. Is 60 bytes long. D. None of these. Answer, A. Is 20 to 60 bytes long.